Good morning, dear students. We will start a new activity which is kinds of mixture. Mixture is formed of two or more substances. There are two types of mixtures. The first one, which is homogeneous mixture. The second one, which is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is the mixture that's made up of just one phase. It means one part. Okay? For example, when we mix water plus salt, how many substances here? Two substances, since it is mixture. Which type of mixture? Homogeneous. Why? Since when we mix water plus salt, we have one phase, one part. We can distinguish between the water and the salt. They mix them together. Okay, we can distinguish between them by our naked eye, differentiate between them. The second example, water plus sugar. When we mix water plus sugar, two substances, we get a homogeneous mixture, which means we have here one part or one phase. So we can't differentiate between sugar and the water. Okay? Now, on the other hand, the second type of mixture, which is the heterogeneous mixture. It's made up of two or more phases or parts. For example, now, when we mix water plus lentils, two substances. Here we have heterogeneous mixture. Why? Since we can differentiate the lentils, then we can observe it by the naked eye, and the water up. We can differentiate between them, and we have here two parts. Another example, water plus oil. Also, when we mix them together, they can't mix. So we can differentiate between the oil and the water by our naked eye. The oil should be up, and the other part or other phase, the water, which be down. Follow me. Let us make this experiment. We should put in the first cup a small amount of lentils. Look. Okay, small amount of lentils. In the second one, a spoon of sugar. In the third one, small amount of oil. In the third one, in the last one, small amount of salt. We add to each one a small quantity of water. Let us indicate for each of these mixtures whether it is homogeneous or heterogeneous. First, we mix the water and the lentil for a short time. We mix the sugar and the water also. Mix them together. We mix the oil and the water, and at last the salt and the water. Follow me now. Here, how many phase we get? One phase, and this is the second phase. One down, this is the second. So it is classified as homogeneous or heterogeneous? Heterogeneous. Well done. Why? Since we have here two phases, two parts, and also we can differentiate between them. This is, I can see by our naked eye, the lentil down and water up. In the second one, here, how many phase? Just one phase. Where the sugar, we can't observe it. We can't differentiate it. They dissolved in the water. So one part, so it is homogeneous mixture. The third one here, this is the water plus the oil. When we mix them, we get two parts. This is the first part, water down, and this is the second part, the oil up. So I can differentiate between them, and we have here two phases. It is heterogeneous mixture. The last one, this is the last one, the water and the salt. When we mix them together, we have now one phase. I can't differentiate, I can't know where's the salt and where's the water. So it is one part, it is classified as homogeneous mixture.